What's the most financially irresponsible behavior of Filipinos? Pressuring the birthday celebrant, magpakain. I was told that we're the only weirdos who do that. It should be the other way around. Birthday mo na nga ikaw pagagastos, masamang tao ka pa pag wala kang panglibre. Getting pregnant, someone pregnant without a steady and sufficient source of income. Then getting pregnant again. Sinundan pa, blessings. Passing other people the responsibility to pay for their financial irresponsibility. Walang family planning. Tingin sa baby blessing, at hindi malaking responsibilidad. Hindi na nga kayang pakainin sarili mag-aanak pa ng isang dosina. Meron nakapagkwento sakin, literal na nagbuntis para lang daw makakuha ng maternity benefits. Ang lala thinking na maximum benefit lang naman ni SSS ay 70k depende pa sa contribution mo yon. Engranding weddings. Tapos after a few years ayon maghihiwalay din. Nag-ugat sa pa-fiesta behavior. Filipinos love to have festive parties not to socialize, but to brag, even to the point na nangungutang pa. I just don't get it. Yung bibili ng mamahaling cellphone kahit utang lang naman pala, para lang magmukhang cool. Bahala na pansit canton ang kainin araw-araw basta may bagong iPhone. Sugal, I saw people get addicted to sabong and professionals indulge in casinos. Every sale sa mga online shopping apps. The word, budol, has a negative connotation tapos ginagamit nila. Pati yung lines na, deserve ko to, minsan lang to. Nagpapadala sa discount at sale pero mga di naman kailangan yung mga pinagbibili. Nakatipid. Uutang sa'yo tapos may statement pa na, wala ka namang binubuhay na pamilya, wow talaga. Bakit ka ba naninangil? Di mo pa naman kailangan ng pera.